From Sooner Standards testing programs with student-created inputs, a complete grade 7 computer science unit for Oklahoma Standard 7.AP.PD.03. Students learn to test and refine programs using a variety of student-created inputs inside a full teacher guide with pacing, misconceptions, and a scoring rubric, plus a content lesson with built-in comprehension checkpoints. This unit includes a standard mastery rubric for teachers and parents, a visual comparison chart of test input types, a CS careers connection, and an AI connection, all built to the Oklahoma HQIM rubric, plus a 10-question assessment with answer key, group, and individual activities, vocabulary puzzles, a family letter, and a certificate of achievement. That's 3 to 4 Daltons of no prep HQIM aligned instruction across 34 ready-to-print pages. Find it at Sooner Standards on Teachers Pay Teachers